in Antarctica. It's like a rave, I imagine. It's rather a home this winter to 25. Stay in touch and support stuff. Hope you're not missing a sunshine as much as still with us.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. We'll be right here at waiting for right. Working as a business. The green world was. Continue to enjoy yourself. Watch out for frostbite and other fields. We look forward to seeing you in April or May of next year. Take us right there. We love you and miss you. Thank you, Myra.
One from all family.
Greetings, Jameson. Hope you had a fun birthday. Can you sure ask your next door? What you feeling like a unit, Mum?
The government staff is restricting the knowledge. It's a view from the usual subject of the sunset.
Focus as well. Something you not expecting. Yes, please.
Bobby Fish, you've got no doubt to know about the US and the teenage along. Just beyond there. We need to have to make you reach out to and I've got to struggling yeah, that's
Happy midwinter. We're sitting in the window garden with tea and scones off the same tree.
So I wonder if you remember that picture of David at the start. Perhaps you've got a better idea now about who it might be?